I don't know. It looks a bit shy. I put that there and pretty much follow it down. Put my knee on that sucker. This is the original one. It's that much shorter. And I don't know if that is going to be not long enough for this, but we'll give it a try. I'll put it up in there. Let's see. Let me pin it down again. Right there. Put my knee on it. It's not too much shorter, but I mean, that could be a heck of a difference. So let's finish it up and see what's up. Alright, I finally got this damn clutch cable on and got it to engage after spending like 2.5 hours routing it, rerouting it, adjusting it, trying to figure out why the hell it wouldn't tighten up. It's shorter than the factory cable or the original cable I took off. So let's see, this is the new one here with the cable still in it. This is the old one. If we go down here, you can see that the original one has more sleeve on it, more black sleeve, and this new one has less black sleeve, so it has more cable exposed. And so I looked online at some, I think on Thumper Talks, and somebody else was having the same trouble, and people were saying to just get the original OEM factory cable so you don't have the problem of having not enough sleeve on there. So once I figured that out, I'm like, okay, well, these cables were only $1.85, so if I can make them work, that'd be great. I don't want to have to send them back. And so what I did was I took off the nut, I cut it in half, I cut the groove, I cut a groove into it, and I put the side that sits into the cable onto there. I regret not cutting it longer because this is fully extended out. So if I may have been able to use the whole damn thing, but yeah, I have to have the cupped end in there so it doesn't want to just fall off. So that's extended all the way out, and the only adjustment I have is here now. But if I kept this whole nut or more of it, then I would have had more adjustment here. So yeah, the cable will work. What I'll do is just, now I can put this original cup onto here, over that, and that'll hold it in there even better. And then I'll just wrap a shit ton of electric tape over this from here to here, and that'll kind of keep it straight. But yeah, I also filed inside there so it wouldn't cut that damn cable. So yeah, that should work. Okay, so in eBay here, I'll show you the listing. It was $1.85, but unfortunately it's gone up to $2.85, which is still really freaking good, but not as good as $1.85. So if you're willing to do this little, I guess, DIY project, then you should get this clutch cable. There's like hundreds of them available, I checked. This is my total down here, $22.20 for 12 of them.